Alright guys, so I'm making my way to the meet right now. Making my way to it. I'm actually gonna be running 5 minutes late, so you know I'm gonna be pressing the gas a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure my V6 that don't matter at all, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is at the time right now. All y'all grown men can laugh if y'all want, boy, but once I get there, I'm gonna get there. And I'm gonna do it way younger than what y'all doing. And y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do it right. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do right by it. Right now, I'm on my way to the meet right now. So right now, I'm just gonna be cruising. Hopefully, I don't meet no cops on the way, because I've been meeting them a lot lately. No tickets yet, though. No tickets. But I ain't gonna lie. I feel one coming. That's the bad part about it. I feel one coming. But I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm there. This is gonna be my first video for you. First car video. Okay, Kias, damn. I didn't know Kias could sound like that, to be honest. explain that to me, I'ma just look it up still. I ain't never heard no shit like that. Look like the cops done caught up. Oh no, that ain't the cops. Right there. But it is cops over here though. Man, that Camaro nice, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm just saying, that's the gas right now. Got the window down. Stupid. Y'all can see him. Hold on, bro. Come down. Cops is right. Wish I had a better quality camera. That's all I got right now, guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna get better soon. I need that. I need what he got. I need that selfie stick. That's what I need, really. I'll really be good. My iPhone, I got an iPhone 11, so I mean, I just really record on my phone. Everybody does if you in the car community. Unless you want to go above and beyond, but really all you need is your phone. See, that's what I would unlock right there. That little black mask on the front of the car, I think that looks nice. Honestly. See, I thought we was parking and chilling, but that don't look like the case. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go that way. Yeah, I don't want to go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Huh? There's no exit back? Yo, we're talking about the cops that blocked off the street over here. We're talking about come back. I ain't charging you a ticket. Dude, the cops ain't letting nobody by. Not letting nobody by. Oh, fuck. Oh, you done fucked some shit up? Oh, bro, you done fucked some shit up, bro. Oh, you done hit it. Look like we on 5,000 turn rock. They say this a dead end, though. Somebody say this is a dead end. Leave your car right, though, bro. For real, for real. FBS, for real. Hope your car is all right. I mean, of course, there's like 2 exits to a school. Like, there just wouldn't be 1 exit. I don't know what that cop thought he was doing, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie though. Like, well, nah. trying to give tickets. Y'all know how that go. I'm not with none of that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll update y'all on some more once we get settled. Once I get back to the car crew. Seems like the meet ended. Somebody did get arrested. I was looking for the other spot, but I couldn't find the other spot. I really couldn't. So, you know, we just gathered up, you know, said goodbye, whatever, going on home. So that's pretty much the end of today. As far as more car content, it is coming. I will rest assured that more car content is coming. Forget about this quarantine stuff. You know, we're in the car. You know what I'm saying? If you get corona from inside the car, then you're the fucking problem. But other than that, man, that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys later.